Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to represent inequalities in a number line, interval form and solution set. So let's get started. Now the first one we have over here, okay, x greater minus 1 and less than 4. Okay, so for this one, when we want to represent these inequalities on a number line, we sketch a line like this. Okay, I did it beforehand, and then we put minus 1 over here and 4 over here, and afterwards we want to represent these inequalities. Okay, x greater than minus 1. So we have to we can use a circle, okay, an open circle, okay, on top of minus 1, because minus 1 is not included. Okay, and next we want to represent this one, x less than 4. So we are using open circle as well on top of 4 like this, yeah. And then afterwards we join them, minus 1 and 4. So this is the number line representation of x between minus 1 and 4. Okay, now in interval form, we can use brackets. Okay, if it's not including the value that we are talking about, such as this one, minus 1, so we are using the parenthesis or open bracket, and then we put minus 1 and then a comma and then the second value lah, if it's which is 4 over here. Okay, now and then we can use a bracket. What kind of bracket? Since 4 is not included, because we are using over here we are using empty circle. Okay, so we are using a parenthesis or open bracket. This is what we call open bracket. Okay, then settle lah. This is the interval form. Okay, now this is open bracket lah, put arrow there. Okay, now for last one, solution set is writing in the form of set. So we put a curly bracket. Okay, x such that x is greater than minus 1 and less than 4, and then we close the set. Okay, so this is the solution set form for these inequalities. Now let's continue for the second one over here. Okay, now for this one we have 1 and 4. So on the number line we put 1 and 4. Okay, and then we want to represent this one, x greater equal 1. Since there's equal sign over here, okay, so 1 is included, so we must use dense circle. Okay, dense circle is the one that you have to is the opposite of empty circle lah. Okay, this is what we call dense circle. Okay, now that is for 1. Okay, for 4 also, x less than equal 4. So we are using the same kind of circle, which is dense circle. Okay, now when we finish, we connect them both. Okay, now for interval form, for dense circle, we are using this kind of bracket. Okay, square bracket. Okay, so for 1 is a square bracket over here, and then we put value 1, and then a comma. For this one, it's a 4, and this 4 is included in the interval. Okay, so this kind of bracket is what we call a square bracket. Okay, it means that the value is included in the interval. Now for the solution set, we just write it like this lah. Actually, we just copy this whole lot over here. Actually, Okay, so just copy paste everything. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's go for the next one. This one. Oh wait, put the number first, 2 and 5. So 2 over here, 5 over here. Okay, and then what this inequality? Not include, open circle. This one include, then circle. Okay, sketch everything, put inside. Okay, and then connect them both. Settle. Okay, for interval form, easy. Put a comma, and then on the left hand side of the comma, we put 2, and this 2 is not included. So, open bracket. Okay. Now, for the right hand side of this comma, it's a 5. Then the 5 is included, since it's a dense circle. So, for the solution set, we are writing in X such that X is greater than 2, less than 5. Okay. Now, next one. Okay, we have minus 4 and we have minus 1. Okay, minus 4 over here, minus 1 over here. And then, for minus 4, we are using dense circle. Okay, because minus 4 is included in our interval. For minus 1, however, is an open circle. Okay, and then just connect them both lah. So this is the number line. For interval form, minus 4 is included. So minus 4 included. Okay. And then minus 1 is not included. So minus 1 not included. Okay. So our solution set is just, okay, that whole thing. This one included, this one not included, and then close. Okay, next. So for this one, unlike the previous one, it's involved only one value, so we have one circle. So what is the number over here? 4. Put in the middle, might as well. Okay, and then what is the circle? Look over here, no equal sign. So open circle. Now, since there's only one circle, we don't know which direction to connect it from, because there's no circle over here to connect with, right? Okay, so how to figure out to right hand side over here or to the left hand side over there? Okay, now it's easy. Okay, you just put a tiny line in the middle of the symbol, and then it should form an arrow pointing to the left, right? So the line is over here. Actually, it's an arrow. Exactly like this. Okay, just copy the arrow and then it's over here lah. Okay, settle. Okay, so this is the number line representing X less than 4. Okay, now for interval form, okay, as I said, in the interval form, we have a comma in the middle, and then we have a value on the right hand side, and we have a value on the left hand side of the comma. Okay, now let's put what we know first, which is 4. So this one 4, we have over right hand side, and then 4 is not included because this one. So like this lah. Okay, now how about this part? We can look over here. So this arrow represent all value towards the value less than 4, which is we don't know. Okay, so it's representing minus infinity. Okay, and then for infinity value, whether it's positive infinity or negative infinity, we are using open bracket. Okay, because we cannot pinpoint where is the value of infinity. Infinity is just a concept. Number is too big or too small for us to understand. Okay, now for the solution set, just copy paste this thing lah. Okay, so we open the set X such that X less than 4, and then we close. Okay, now for this one, okay, minus 4 over here. Okay, what is the symbol? Less than equal, so minus 4 is included. Okay, okay, now there's only one line, one circle. So which point that it's going. Okay, so we put a line in the between the, inside the symbol, we have an arrow pointing to the left. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, I use same color lah, like this, to the left. Okay, so this is the number line. Now for interval form, okay, we have a comma in the middle. Now right hand side we can put it's -4 included because we have a then circle. Now over here arrow, what does it mean? Okay, if it's pointing to the left, then it's a minus infinity. If the arrow is pointing to the right, such as like this, let's say lah, like this, it means positive infinity. So this one is minus infinity, open bracket. Infinity always take an open bracket, yeah. Okay, and then proceed lah. This one, x less than equal -4. Okay, now next. Okay, this one, -3, put lah -3 over here. And then this one, open circle, empty circle, sorry. Empty circle, and then to the right or to the left? To the right. You see the arrow like this, right? Okay, so that is the line. So this is the number line representing x greater than -3. Now how about interval form? -3 over here. Okay, and then this one is for positive infinity. Oh, sorry. For -3 over here, it's a open circle, empty circle. So we are using open bracket. Infinity, positive infinity also open bracket. Now just take some time to write the solution set. Okay, settle. Now, last but not least, this one. 5, we put 5 over here. Okay, this one has equal sign. So, dense circle. Okay, make it dense. And then now, to the right or to the left, put a line over here. You see, it makes an arrow to the right, right? Okay, like that, better. Like that. Okay, interval form. So, put a comma, and then the one that we know is 5 over here, left hand side of the comma, and then it's included square. This one, positive infinity, open bracket. Okay, and then might as well copy lah this one. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.